Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One to Step, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to sign out of Slack in macOS. So let's get started. First of all, let's open our app. So guys, once you have entered the app, just click on your profile icon, which is located in the bottom left corner. So here you can see there is a sign out option, so let's click on it. So guys, now you have already been signed out from your app, but you'll be still signed in your desktop browser. So let's sign out from here as well. So let's click on it. So this way you can sign out from your Slack in macOS. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.